All right, we're starting with our sea salt popcorn. Spread that out on your sheet pan. Now we are coming in with our red chocolate melts, and we are going to drizzle this red chocolate right on top of our popcorn, just like this. Look how beautiful and vibrant that looks on there. You can kind of just use your knife and go crazy with it. This is gonna be a super fun and delicious little holiday treat. It's so easy. You can use whatever popcorn you like. Looking good. Now I found this peppermint chocolate. I wanted to add a little bit of peppermint flavor to our chocolate, and I don't want to add too much because it is a white color and I don't want to take away from that fun red, but let's just go ahead and get that flavor on there so we can taste it, and it's going to be delicious. Woo! I'm going to finish off our chocolates, of course, with some green chocolate.
Whoa, Christmas green.
Yeah, and we're just doing the same thing we did with the red and the peppermint. We are just drizzling it on there. I'm going a little bit more aggressive because I really like Christmas green. I think it is the prettiest, most festive color, but like I said, you can use whatever colors you want. You don't have to do the peppermint. You don't have to do the green. You could just do white and red. You could just do just red, but I wanted all the fun colors. Now I'm gonna come in with my Christmas sprinkles. This is optional. I know sprinkles aren't everyone's favorite. We wanna kind of just get those on there before the chocolate starts to harden. You don't need to go crazy. It doesn't need too much. Just a nice little fun pop of crunch and color. Perfect. Those look so good on there. Now my favorite candy to go with popcorn, and you cannot tell me otherwise, is M&M's. I love mixing my M&M's with my fresh popcorn, and this is gonna be no different. And of course I'm using the Christmas M&M's. You could use the peanut butter M&M's, the mint M&M's. You could use the peanut M&M's, the caramel. The options are endless, and we're just throwing those on there. And I know you think, oh, okay, she has to be done, right? She has to. But nope, I have one more yummy little thing I'm gonna throw on here. Like I said, this is totally customizable, so if you don't like anything I'm putting on here, you can skip it. You can skip it and not write a comment about it. So just keep that in mind. All right, our last and maybe the best ingredient besides the popcorn, some Christmas Oreos. Now, I'm not just gonna put a full-on Oreo on top of these. I am gonna crush these up. Look at that little snowflake. We're gonna crush these into little pieces and just kind of throw them into our popcorn. This is gonna get a little messy, so if you don't want your kids' fingers to get all messy, maybe you do this part instead of them. Or maybe you throw it in a food processor to get some really fine pieces. But I'm telling you that this Oreo is gonna add the best flavor to this. And look how fun and festive that green cream, or that red cream is in there. I mean, I am way too excited. Okay, so we're gonna do about 4 Oreos total into this. Like I said, you don't need to go crazy. We have the M&Ms, we have the popcorn, we have the chocolate. This is gonna be a delicious little sweet treat that you could put in your cookie boxes, you could put in stockings, or you can give to coworkers. Last year I did this with pretzels and gave them to my coworkers, and they ate it up. Yeah.
Every last bit gone.
Exactly. All right, now that this is ready, we're gonna pop it in the fridge for like 10 minutes to let that chocolate harden, and then it's time to enjoy. All right, this is ready to enjoy. And personally, I had popcorn in a bowl, but you could obviously get some little baggies and put it in some baggies. But we kind of want it to be all mixed together with that chocolate and those Oreos. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so good?
It looks amazing. Here, I'll hold that for you.
Perfect. All right. Doesn't that look so good?
Whoa, that looks amazing, baby.
Okay, I cannot wait for the movie. I have to dig in right now.
Is it good?
That is incredible, you guys. Gotta try it.